Welcome to the era of artificial intelligence, where machines are transforming our world. From humble beginnings to today's breakthroughs, AI has evolved significantly. Join us as we explore AI's fascinating journey, its impact on industries, and its potential to solve humanity's challenges. Discover how AI is changing our world and what the future holds. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of AI robots and the parts that make them tick. The brain, microcontroller. The brain of our AI robot is the microcontroller. This tiny computer processes information, makes decisions, and controls the robot's movements. Popular microcontrollers include Arduino and Raspberry Pi. The eyes, sensors. Our AI robot's eyes are its sensors. These sensors allow the robot to perceive its environment, detect obstacles, and navigate through spaces. Common sensors include ultrasonic, infrared, and camera sensors. The muscles, actuators. The muscles of our AI robot are its actuators. These actuators enable the robot to move, lift, and manipulate objects. Popular actuators include DC motors, servo motors, and stepper motors. The skeleton, chassis. The skeleton of our AI robot is its chassis. This framework provides structural support, protection, and mobility for the robot's components. Chassis materials include metal, plastic, and wood. The power source, battery. The power source of our AI robot is its battery. This energy storage device enables the robot to operate independently, making it a crucial component. Popular battery types include lithium-ion, nickel-cadmium, and lead-acid batteries. The skin, exterior. The skin of our AI robot is its exterior. This outer layer provides protection, aesthetics, and functionality for the robot's components. Exterior materials include metal, plastic, and fabric. Conclusion. And there you have it, the essential parts that make up an AI robot. From the microcontroller brain to the exterior skin, each component plays a vital role in bringing our AI robot to life.